Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial we're going to look at the give me oil that I did shots on if you see my videos. And this tutorial is going to be in two folds. So the original key was in E flat, but I'm going to divide it into two different folds. So we're going to have one with the couple and the other without a couple. So for beginners, as an acoustic guitarist, I think having a couple is always beneficial, make it sounds better. And if you want to play it on the lead guitar, or you want to perfect your bar chords, I'll do a second one for bar chords. So let's keep the couple on the 3rd fret. The main chords that we are going to need in this tutorial are A minor, E minor, D minor, then I think F. Yeah, so every chord that I display are in reference to this couple. So if I'm playing A minor here, it doesn't mean that the chord itself is A minor. This chord itself is, I think, C minor. Yeah, and this is which one would be? This is E, this is F, so this is F minor. Then I think this one is G minor. So let's that was just by the way. Let's focus on what we are supposed to do. So we're going to use the loop. So we'll bear in mind the chords that we are going to use: the A minor, D minor, E minor, A minor. So let's follow. A minor, D minor, E minor, A minor. So let's go again. Okay, so we'll move to the give me oil in my lamp, Lord. So we're going to use give me oil in my lamp. I don't know if C sounds better, but let's stick to A minor. Give me oil in my lamp, may my light never be dim. F. I said this one is not for bar chords, but always remember that F is a bar chord itself. So keep me burning, D minor, E minor, till the coming of the King, back to A minor. Give me oil in my lamp, may my light never be F. Keep me burning, D minor, E minor, to the coming of the A minor. Give me oil in my lamp, may my light never be dim. Keep me burning, E minor, to the coming A minor. Alright, so let's try it with the loop. Try and play along. Okay, so when we are done, we will start from the top and get back to and go through. So let's look at I wanna burn for you. I wanna burn for you. So I wanna D minor for A minor. I wanna E minor, A minor. I wanna E D minor, A minor. I wanna E minor, A minor. I wanna D minor, A minor. I wanna E minor, A minor. Let's try it with the loop. Okay, I think I wanna D minor, A minor. I wanna E minor, A minor. I wanna D minor, A minor. I wanna E minor, A minor. I wanna D minor, A minor. I wanna E minor, A minor. Okay, so I don't want it to be too long, so you can try the you just need the notes that spell that part. So it's re, is that re? Re mi la si ti do la. So when I'm on the A minor, I use my pinky. So I'm picking the second string and the first string. Then I'll plug the third string. So that was the third. Okay, so that's your index finger. Okay, so let's try and play from the top. I think the video is getting long. Let's try. A minor, A minor, E minor, A minor. Give me oil in my lamp. May my light never be dim. Keep me burning until the coming of the King. Give me oil in my lamp, Lord. May my light never be dim. Oh, sorry. Okay, so you can try and pick or strum any way that works for you. May my light never be dim. F. Keep me burning until the coming of the King. I wanna burn for you. I wanna burn for Okay, so if you noticed, I was picking. Sometimes I'm strumming. I have tutorials on picking and strumming. You can take a look at that from my beginners tutorials, and I think from some of the tutorial practices. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Kindly leave in the comment section any question and anything that you want to suggest, anything that you want clarification on. I'll work on it. Thank you for watching. If you've not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, hit the like button if you like this video and share to your friends, and see you next time. Thank you.